Hello everyone, my name's Dean. Let's talk crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Okay, now what's going on with Bitcoin? So yesterday where we left off, we were looking at this inverse head and shoulders and saying that Bitcoin was showing strength by 1, forming it, 2, actually playing it out. And yesterday we were around here and we were on the uptrend and we actually broke out of the head and shoulders but got rejected swiftly thereafter, making for a lower low. But that's still within kind of the terms of this construction of this market structure, right? We're still forming this bullish pattern of an inverse head and shoulders, and this low, if you look at an inverse head and shoulders, the right low should be higher than the left low, right? By definition, because you're trying to make the higher high. Yesterday, our right low was here. Today, it's here, below the 55 EMA. That's not too bad. Right? Remember what happened last time when we tested and got rejected? We formed the head. So we got rejected with 2 big red candles. This time we got rejected and we simply got a 3% correction versus a 6% correction. So that should let you know that Bitcoin is gaining strength. And this is a healthy way to break staunch resistance, right? By trying it once, twice, and thrice. And typically in technical analysis, they say that staunch resistance is usually broken on the 3rd or 4th try. And this was the 2nd try, I believe, right? Yeah, so we had 1. This is number 2. This was number 3, I presume. Yeah, this was this number 2 or number 3? Let's see. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, so this was number 1. This is number 2. This is going to be number 3. This is going to be number 3. Because we actually did break it here and we closed and opened higher than this resistance band, but then we lost it. We lost steam. So this would count as number 1, this would count as number 2, and this is the 3rd try. So it's usually the 3rd or 4th try. And right now, we're on the 4-hourly chart, by the way. We're making our way to the resistance band. So we'll see what happens. Technical analysis is just analysis. It's not a crystal ball. Once again, if you're subscribed to the channel, you will hear me say that repeatedly. Nothing is for certain. These are all probabilities. There's a high probability, given the market structure, given this bullish pattern, that we will indeed breach this resistance band and that we will indeed make our way to this target of 52.5. Okay, there's a probability. I'm not saying it will happen. I'm saying if there's a gun to my head or I have to make an investment, I'm likely to make that investment to the upside. I'm likely to long Bitcoin from here, given what I'm seeing in the charts, right? But anything can happen. So just keep that in mind, please. All right, that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. Nothing too exciting. Nothing's changed so much from yesterday, but yeah, that's pretty much it. If you find value in these updates, please like, subscribe, share the video when appropriate, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.